Alrighty, boys. Let's go ahead and do another backtesting video. Call this 50K funded type of thing. Haven't done one of these in a minute, so see if we can hopefully get some good PA. Date. I don't think I've ever done 2022, and we'll do my birthday. Alright, do something like this. Let's see. Alright, here we go. Give me something good. Alright, so higher time frame here. Looking hella bullish. We are inside of this daily. Actually, no, we inversed it. So now we should go for this next daily. And hopefully that will be our draw. So fortunately, we have to go to the next session. Hopefully we didn't take it out. Yes, it's still intact. Some bearish displacement here. This intermediate low here looks like could be a nice reversal point for us. Let's see what we do. Maybe a 930 Judas. All right, so we swept out that. Oh, yeah, I like the Judas right off the rip. Judas swing. Here we go. So sweep of the 5-minute intermediate high. Again, just gonna look to take it down to that intermediate low. Lighten the risk up. All right, first trade. Let's see how we do. Okay, not exactly what I wanted to see there. That was a heavy displacing candle. Let's see what we swept here, though. No, we must have tapped a 4-hour, no? What did we hit? 30? Oh, let's see what this does. Ew, that's a tough entry, to be honest with you, but in terms of the draw that we have, especially now that we have kind of like some generated liquidity, like, yeah, this looks better. Like this stuff right here. All right, so I'm going to try this again. Same idea here. Let's see if this can play now. All right, break even there with that last low. Bang. There we go. Yeah, that was a pretty setup. So it looks like just the loss we took in that Judas was just, honestly, probably could have been avoided. The inverse wasn't too great, but yeah, there we go. All right, 1-1. Next session. Let's do it. There we go. All right, so obviously we took out that 4-hour low. Looking, I mean, overall, I think we're still pretty bullish, like even just the daily. Let's see. I mean, we could open low here into a 1-hour. I think we got a couple of those below us. Yep. Yep, swept out that. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there we go. That's a good open low right there. Highest time frame right now is a 3. If we want to do it. No great entries yet. We're gonna have to wait, I think, for this. Now we got a 4-minute, and that's why we wait. Holy. All right, so bias could have been wrong for the morning. Ideally, like we do have these couple lows down here. I want to see if these 1-hour gaps end up inversing. But I would not shy away from taking a continuation short right here if we get one. I'm just still waiting for right now. Should have tapped something, right? Yeah. Tap into the 5 here. However, this is pretty bullish. But that's nice. This would be a good comp right here. Let's see. And I do kind of like this setup. Honestly, we could probably just try to take it back down to this low. Yeah, let's see. I like this. Let's see. Some heavy displacing candles if we can. Beautiful. Beautiful right there. That was very nice. All right. Currently moving locations. But yeah, all right, that'll be it for the day right there. Sorry about the delay. And now we can hop into the next session real quick. All right, so not bad so far. Decent trades. Just gotta make a quick text. The last backtesting session I did, we had phenomenal price action. All right, still, I mean, overall in the daily, still looking kind of bullish here. We got the daily gap below. Same goes for kind of like yesterday. Let's see, maybe 9:30 we can get something good. Ooh, I think I just overclicked. Don't hate me. All right, 5-minute tap. How bad was that close? No, I like it. This is another, guys, another Judas, right? We're gonna have to go, and then we can target this actually, I'll target the new 15 up there. The only thing here, we might have to go break even at that high. Yeah, so break even. Hopefully we just flush. Nice. Beautiful. And there we go. There's a Judas, and that's it. Done for the day. Done within the first 3 minutes. That's why it's my favorite. Holy displacement. Holy displacement. Some generated lows right here. Yeah, I like this for like a sell model. Just selling off all the way. Do have that 1 hour gap. Might be asking for too much, but we'll see. Open high, open high. It's an open middle. Ooh, honestly. There's a 1 minute. Hold the phone. I'm just skipping to see if it closed. Alright, it did. Sometimes FX Replay does this stupid thing. Anyways, yeah, no, this looks solid. This is as long as we don't get stuck in chop right here, this should be a golden setup. Got a bunch of LRO. Let's see. Absolutely beautiful, dude. Oh my god. These Judas swings are no joke. Killing it right now. Alright, next day. Might have to cut this a little short today, guys. This might be, what are we at, a Friday? This might be the last day. Let's see. So coming up to the daily gap. Looks like we're about to inverse it. Oh, we did inverse at 1 hour, so pretty bearish once again. I want to see again if we can get a Judas. We get a Judas. If not, that's fine. Yeah, we did open high right here, right into the 15. Is it a 30 and a 30? Need this 1 minute though. Oh, we do have some low resistant liquidity built up though, so we might, or not, or I'm just wrong. 0.5, yeah, there's a 5. That's all good. No entry there. If we got a better close on that, yeah, I would have ripped the 5, but let's see. Alright, we swept this. Let's see what we do here. It's got to be like a 5, right? Alright. What I'm thinking here is either a cont or we inverse the 5. But the only thing, there was really no entry for us anyway to go higher, but yeah, well, I'll do one. Let's do one more day. No entries there. Not really loving PA. But yeah, main thing, keeping it simple here. Let's see, got a daily gap here, so kind of trading daily to daily gaps, which can be tough. That's also a 4-hour intermediate high. Let's see, 9:30. I just clicked way too fast again, dude. I always do this. So 9:30 opens. Yeah, this looks good. 4-minute. I'm just making sure this inversed. Did it inverse? Yeah. What is going on with FX replay, bro? I'm gonna try this. Stop loss at the body. Low-key, like target the body up there. Let's see if this plays. A little riskier of a trade, but yep. Okay, instant stopped out. That couldn't have been avoided. That's on me, 100%. Let's see though. This 30-second could play. Yeah. And I'm pretty sure. What did we tap down here? Yeah, we just swept out the low. This looks much better for a re-entry. That's a big stop loss, but actually no, it's only 45 points. And we'll try to target that. How many points? Oh no, that's fine. Same risk. Let's see. Give me something good here, NQ. Not the best delivery. Wow. Looks like we got stuck in the chop, but bang, it played. And it's a good thing. I mean, we didn't even touch our break-even point would have been this high up here, so this was a pretty true trade. Looks like we're gonna dump now. Yeah, I'll do a tape read here. Won't take it because I already got my W, but boom. Honestly, just target. Is this 9:30 lows? 9:35. This looks good. Let's see. All right, there we go. That's why we faded it. All right, boys. Anyways, I'm gonna call it here. I know it's kind of quick session. Yeah, I will. I'll be sure to make another backtesting video soon. But yeah, until the next one, guys, I will catch you and peace out.